Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another video from TW White & Sons. Okay, so we took this in part exchange just early on today. We are a Mazda dealer. Funnily enough, we sold a Hyundai Tucson, which came in part X against one of our new CX-60s. So that had subsequently been sold to this car's previous keeper. So he was a Hyundai fan. Hyundai are very good cars. We have sold them for many years. We still service them, but we're no longer a franchise dealer which actually sell them from new, but we still service them and do warranty work for both Hyundai and Kia. So as I say, this came in as a part exchange against a Tucson. Now this is a 1.4, it's automatic, it's the SE spec, these are all very well spec'd, and it's in lovely condition, and we're really excited because we wouldn't get a 17 plate Mazda 2 which is comparable to this for this sort of price, and I know small automatic petrols, ULEZ compliant cars are hard to get. So yeah, super excited about having this as part of our used car offering. We're giving it a quick clean. It does require a valet, but only had time for a quick clean today, and it's very nice indeed. Presenting this lovely sort of, how would I pronounce describe it, Arctic white, I suppose, polar white, I think Hyundai called it, with cloth interior. Now this car has reverse sensors. They were standard from new. It has a very good sized boot, so I would say the car is family friendly. You've got the ISOFIX anchorages as well. So you've got ISOFIX anchorages on the two outer rear seats. There are no unpleasant smells or anything like that. All the wheels are in really lovely condition. The car is due a service. We shall do that. We shall prepare that before the next keeper takes the vehicle. Electric windows, wing mirrors, lane departure warning, traction control. So very well spec'd. It's very cold here today, so I'm going to start the car up. We've got two keys with the car. So we're overdue a service by 265 miles. So perfect timing really for the customer. Trip computer, okay, cruise control, Bluetooth. You've got auxiliary, USB down here, and you've got what I call a proper automatic gearbox, so one that is smooth and seamless and doesn't roll back on hills. You've got AM, FM, DAB, yeah, Bluetooth, okay. So everything I'd require. The air conditioning works. I tried it earlier. I'm not going to put it on again because it's cold enough, but it's all got functioning air conditioning. And this is a two-owner vehicle. Okay. I say gentleman's a Hyundai fan, so we tried to tempt him into one of our Mazdas, but I think he's very loyal to the brand, which is good. Why not? And I've got a maintenance book here, which I dug out earlier. So we've got servicing at 10,800 miles, 21, 30, 41, 44, and the last one at 48. The car's now done 55,410. So service, MOT will all be done prior to the next keeper. So these cars came with a 5-year warranty from new, so it's out of that. So we'll put a 12-month comprehensive warranty on this vehicle that you can use in any VAT registered garage. Okay, so that's what we shall do. We shall do all the mechanical prep and put a year's warranty. Now we are a reputable dealer. Please do check out our reviews, particularly our Google reviews. It'll give you a good idea of who we are and what we like to do business with. Okay, parts exchange is extremely welcome, as you can imagine. Being a Mazda dealer and taking in Tucsons and i20s, we want your part exchange. Let us know what you have, but please do punch your reg number in and do all those things that you're heavily encouraged to do. But get in touch with us. We want your part exchange. You get the best deal with a part exchange, and therefore you can have a seamless, hopefully enjoyable buying experience. Okay, if there's anything you want to find out about this car, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and should that be outside our regular business hours, don't let that put you off. Just pick up the phone, leave a voicemail, drop us an email. We are here to help. Okay, so I'll get this car through the workshop next week, so it'll be ready for delivery probably mid to end of next week. Okay, and we'll give it a good valet. We've got great finance facilities, part exchange we've mentioned. I've got warranty extension facilities, delivery facilities, and of course, you know, I can send you more photos, videos, or any information on this car. So I want to thank you for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye.